And we're recording. We're here and we're going to switch the retrieval on the new NitrogenXD reel. First, you need to take off the actual spool. Set that aside. You'll notice that you have a rubber seal here that's protecting the drag system. You need to get a paper clip and go ahead and expose that. Pull that off like that. Set that aside. You'll need that later. And then flathead screwdriver, you're going to go ahead and turn this completely so that it takes it off. And at that point, you now have exposed. Notice that there is a little pin there. We're going to have to put that back in place right here in this little hole when we do this. But basically what we need to do is switch the bearing. So we're going to flip it. Same kind of thing here, where you want to go ahead and take your paper clip. And this seal is a little bit tougher, so you might actually need to grab a pair of tweezers to help grab that piece and pull that seal off. Maybe even in some cases grab your screwdriver to pop that seal. So again, set that seal apart like that. You're going to put it back in the same way. Notice that you've got your bearing exposed now. Pop that out. Now we're going to flip it. Set it right back in there. Then we're going to basically reverse what we just did. We're going to pop that seal back in place. That's going to put that together. Okay. And then if you remember, I talked about that little pin that pops out. That's what makes that clicking sound. So you can see that that's got that spring. You're going to want to reload that back into the hole, which is here. And then probably turn this upside down so you don't lose that particular piece. Hear that clicking? That means you got it in there, right? So now you're going to set that back in there. Going to go ahead and put that screw. Seal this back up where it's tight. And again, snug tight to where it starts to turn. Okay? And then replace your rubber seal again over the top. Boom. And now you've just switched this from a right hand to a left hand retrieve. So it's got the click sound, got the drag going backwards. And that's it. Pretty simple.